from college. I don't think I filmed anything today because I was simply just focused too much today. Yeah, because it actually required me to focus too much today. I couldn't film, but we'll try again tomorrow. So, bye for now, okay? Yeah. Hey guys, I'm in the bathroom, the school bathroom. It is raining. I'm kind of wet. It's crazy. Even my head is wet. It's crazy. I'll see you later.
Fuck you want a girl like me, fucking with me dangerously. Bet you want a piece of me. Right now I'm living free. Music sending checks to me. Even haters check on me. Think you want is good, good, baby. I'm the one for you. Are you feeling good, good? Show you what's in line for you. Giving you that good, good. All check was in line for you. Sending me that good, good. My life's my design for you.
Guys, it's windy. I can't really talk. I wanted to talk, but it's windy. We'll talk when I get to school. Took a bathroom break. I'm in my second class. I forgot to vlog in the first class because I was just on a normal computer. So yeah, and now I'm in my second class and we're doing activities. But I took a bathroom break. So yeah. Hi guys, I am back home. I'm not sure what I liked it, but I just wanted to show you my outfit of the day. Yeah, sneakers, sportsy and jeans. I'm not sure. The top is from Fashion World and the jacket is the Fix. So yeah. Raining when I was okay. It was raining when I was getting out from school, and we went out a bit early today. Yeah, and it was raining. It becomes so difficult to vlog when it's raining, but we'll try again tomorrow. So yeah, guys, and then I'm like, I know I've been buying clothes, but I still don't have clothes, cause it's not nice to be the same thing over and over, you know, because it's been 2 weeks. But today I decided to change because I didn't wear like these two things for the past week. But like then when change the top, different jeans, different one, just like that. But anyways, yeah, I'm home now and I'm warming up food and I'm about to eat, and then maybe we'll catch up with some schoolwork. What, don't know, but like it's that time of the month. So I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling anything. So yeah, I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, I'm nice and warm now. Couldn't know in there, Will. Gonna go run some errands. Not really errands, but just to go buy. And then yeah. I like how I'm wearing. I don't know, like in this mirror. I like it. I like it. Let me see if it will show. Like, do you see what I mean? Like, simple. That's me. I'm a really, really like simple girl. Yeah. Tuesday morning, I already wore my clothes. Should touch in my hair, and then I'm gonna leave. I don't wanna be late, so let me go do my hair, and then we'll talk on the way. But it's still raining, and it's dark outside, so there's nothing I can do. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. It's cold. It's cold. It's dark.
Dimension ruthless, want me way too ruthless. He picked me up, he suited. But I'm not foolish with it. Got you hit by Cupid, got you acting stupid. You know what the truth is. Yeah. Come ride in the backseat. Baby, you don't need a car seat. Work to get love every week, jumping over hurdles like I'm running in a track meet. Who is this pretty girl with the brown eyes? Cute face, small waist, and the big thighs. Feels like SeaWorld when I'm inside.
I'm really feeling shameful in the eye, but yeah, I'm home, currently busy with some schoolwork I need to catch up, but because there are some things I didn't understand, and yeah, I just want to catch up so that I'm up to date. But I am up to date though, but I just want to go through like notes and stuff so that I be behind, but get into your 99 yeah. So
Promise you, baby, that I could do it all night. I'm flexing, I'ma keep going. Grab your waist while you're moving place, and your tattoos, yeah, they showing. Just keep doing what you're doing it right. Yeah, we setting the mood and we setting the vibes. Think you want us good, baby, I'm the one for ya. Got you feeling good, show you what's in line for ya. Giving you that good, all check what's in line for ya. Send me that good, my life's my design,
Thursday, last day off the week for school. Not what I'm telling you, it's not raining. I think it's not gonna rain, but it's cloudy. But I hope it's not, because I'm like, what? I see the sun, I see it clear, but like, I'm not sure, but let's hope it's not gonna rain. So let's go. Hi guys, let me show you my outfit of the day for today. Let me show you my outfit of the day. Then we are done with this vlog. right? So this cardigan is from T&B Fashions, I think you'll know this already. And then the t-shirt is from Shein, and then the jeans are from Z Africa, and then these sneakers are from Pick and Pay clothing. And yo guys, that's about it. I will see you guys in my next vlog. I know this was not so nice, but I hope you enjoyed it, and we try again next week, okay? So bye guys. Don't forget to comment, share and subscribe. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Please subscribe.